Hey Queens, what's up? What's good? How are you? Comment below. Let me know. Okay, so today is my dog Winter's 5th birthday. So I wanted to do something special and throw her a little birthday party. If you know my dog, she doesn't like other dogs, sadly, so I couldn't invite dogs to her party because she doesn't get along with dogs. She meets them as a puppy and sees them grow up, and then no matter what, she'll like them because she meets them as a puppy. But my dog Charles is also here, so he's going to attend her birthday party. Pretty excited. I got some good stuff. Got some party hats. If the party hats don't work, I got these little birthday party hats. Got some plates for them to eat their stuff off of. I got her a toy, a little bandana, and then I went to Something Sweet in Anoka, and I got her a little doggy cupcake, so that should be fun. And then for her gift, for her and her party guest, I got them each a marrow-bone from Von Hanson's. So I'm gonna wrap the presents so Winter can try and open them. I'm hoping she does open them. Who knows if she actually will. Maybe we'll have to put something on there. But yeah, I'll be right back. Got you a little birthday crown. Charlie, you want a hat or a crown? Here, Charlie, there's your party hat. Winter, it's your birthday party. Be happy. Is that one better than the other one? Oh, Charlie took his off. He's like, I'm gonna eat it. Here, Charlie, you want one of these? This might be more fun. How about that? Is that better? No, Winter, don't take it off. Oh. Okay, well, let's try. Oh, don't eat it. Okay, Winter, you want to open up your gifts? Oh, jeez. Charlie's like, I'll open up your gifts. She got it off. Here, what's that? What is that? Open up your gifts. Open up your gifts. What's in there? Open it up. Winter, open it. What's in there? What's in there? That's it? Are you gonna open it? Oh, look at what that is! It's a phone! Oh, now she wants it. Now she can see it. Okay. You wanna open this one? Here. Charlie, did you bring that? Huh? Look at that. There you go. Little toy. Even has a squeaker. You like squeakers? She's not in the mood for my shit at all. Okay, maybe I'll grab the... Here, Charlie, can Charlie have his phone? Here you go, Charles. Let me grab... He's gone. One pretty contestant gone. Okay, since Charlie doesn't want to sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Winter. Happy birthday to you.
Winter, you gotta eat your cupcake, girl.
I should have gave her the phone after.
Well, she's having a very happy birthday.
Yeah, she is.
The birthday girl is 5 years old today. Ooh, what's that?
Look at Winter.
Is that your birthday cupcake? Yum yum.
No, what? Oh.
Yum yum. You should
Winter.
You should grab it when she's not looking. We saved this.
Well,
Let me teach you a picture.
this was Winter's birthday party.
Winter. Winter, look
Her
at mommy.
5th birthday. I should have gave her the bone after, but thanks so much for watching, Queens. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment below and wish Winter a happy 5th birthday. I will leave all my social medias down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye. Winter, are you ready to finally eat your cupcake? Give her a cupcake.
Wait, hold on.
Oh,
Winter, sit.
oh.
She's